The general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c represent constant numbers and x is the variable. We can understand a lot about the equation if we analyze the values of a, b, and c. In particular, the discriminant is the value of b squared minus 4ac, and the value of that expression will tell us how many and what type of solutions to expect from the quadratic equation. If the discriminant is positive, there will be 2 real solutions. If the discriminant equals 0, there will be 1 real solution. And if the discriminant is negative, there will be 2 complex solutions. As an example, let's compute the discriminant of this equation and use it to determine the number and type of solutions that the equation has. To compute the discriminant, we need to identify the values of a, b, and c, and these are going to be the coefficients of the terms on the left-hand side of the equation. A is equal to 6, b is equal to negative 13, and c is equal to 7. So the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, equals negative 13, in parentheses, squared, minus 4 times 6 times 7. Negative 13 squared is 169. It's positive because the negative gets canceled out. 6 times 7 is 42, and 4 times 42 is 168. So we end up with a value of the discriminant of 1. And because this is positive, it tells me that there are 2 real solutions to this equation. And in fact, we can say even a little bit more. Real numbers come in 2 types. Rational numbers can be expressed as fractions, and irrational numbers, which can't. And because the value that we found for the discriminant is a perfect square, meaning that the square root of that value is a whole number, because of that fact, we know that not only do we have 2 real solutions, but in fact we have 2 rational solutions. So in addition to being able to use the discriminant to determine whether we end up with real or complex solutions and how many, if the discriminant is a positive real number that happens to also be a perfect square, we end up with rational solutions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.